So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on our desk over here. We're gonna plug it up and we're gonna test it, okay? So here we are. So we're gonna press this power button and the console normally would just turn on, but we'll see what happens. And that's all we get, okay? So it doesn't even beep anymore. So let's take this thing apart and see what's going on. I can see that there's already ants coming out of it. You never get the full story when you're buying stuff online. People just seem to want to lie about it instead of just being straightforward and honest and just think like, hey, if you're buying this, you know, at least you know what you're getting into.